Welcome to today's news. Kerala Electrical and Allied Engineering Company Limited has invited application for the post of manager. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official website https://kpesrb.kerala.gov.in. Scale of pay 29,180 to 43,640. Qualification BTech or BE degree in electrical engineering. Age limit maximum 45 years as on the date of notification. The registration process begins on October 29, 2024. The last day to apply is November 30, 2024. Get more details from official website of Kerala Electrical and Allied Engineering Company Limited. For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com. Thank you.